everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before, and welcome to another vlog. So I'm already in the city. I already went to the post office to drop off a parcel because I actually sold something on Vestiaire Collective. When it comes to selling luxury, I guess so far I've only had like a positive experience with Vestiaire Collective. I haven't sold a bag on there yet, but I did sell like a brooch, like a Chanel brooch at some point. And let's see, a couple of other things. I think a pair of Hermès earrings. I didn't tell you about those, I believe. Those were the O'Kelly earrings. Anyway, so I sold those a couple of maybe half a year ago, but how did I end up here? Alright, so I did sell something on Vestiaire Collective. I dropped it off at the post office. I guess I'm going to include that in my March recap. I recently posted my January and February recap of everything that I sold, purchased, and everything that I resisted purchasing, and you seem to be enjoying that video concept. Anyway, so I did go to the post office already, and now I'm meeting up with Sopho. She does have a YouTube channel as well. Her YouTube channel is Petite Life, not Petite Life, although I think she's fairly petite, so I'm gonna look like a giant next to her, but that's fine. But yeah, definitely gonna be linking her in the description box below. We've been meaning to meet up actually literally for ages. I think even way before she got her child, and I think her daughter's 2-ish at this point, so it's been a long time coming, but I'm really excited to finally meet up. Or just grabbing coffee, and then don't have that many specific plans, but we're gonna figure that out. And remind me, okay, you can't really remind me, but I do have to remind myself that once I'm back home, I do need to show you the pochette clé, the Louis Vuitton one of my parents that I did bring to Louis Vuitton for repair. At this point 2 weeks ago, but when I brought it in for repair, the metal bit was broken, the clasp situation. It only took a week or so to get it fixed, so I'm going to show you that. I think the process of me bringing it in for repair at Louis Vuitton is included in another vlog. I feel like I'm losing my sunglasses. Wait a second. I just felt them sliding back on my head, and I didn't want to lose them. Those are my Fendi sunnies. Anyway, super long intro. I'm already on my way to the coffee spot that we picked out. Chances are she's gonna have her vlogging camera with her as well, so it's gonna be vlog inception. No worries, honestly. How are you doing? Okay, so say hi to someone that I've been meaning to meet for ages at this point.
I'm so glad that we did this meetup.
Yeah.
It was long overdue.
Definitely. So you do have a YouTube channel yourself?
Yes, I do.
Talk about what you do on YouTube.
I started YouTube focused on the luxury handbags as well. But somehow
and that's how I actually stumbled across her channel.
Same here. It turned out to be a vlog channel, lifestyle channel.
And she does amazing vlogs and also interior, top notch. So definitely check out her channel. She's gonna be linked in the description box, obviously. Okay, so we're in the backyard of the Hamburg City Hall, and I took it upon myself to show you what a 25 looks on a almost 5'10"-ish frame. So I'm 177 centimeters. I think I've mentioned that numerous times on my channel. But what do we think? We know that I do own a 35, which is way bigger. So this is in the color Tundra, I think, and Palladium hardware. That's adorable. I mean, the handles are on the snug side. You can't wear a thick jewelry stack, but what do we think? Obviously, there's no way no way I'm gonna purchase this on the pre-love market because the prices are crazy. Even in this current economy, still Hermès definitely holds its value. And in store, I don't have that amount of pre-spend. So, but you can always dream, right? So let me know your thoughts on the 25. And yeah, definitely I would go for gold hardware because I'm not a silver or like palladium hardware kind of girl, but to give you an idea of the size, it's adorable. All right, so I'm back home. Side note, don't mind like the mess in the background or the echoiness because I tend to not film in this room because it's quite echoey. Also, side note, who didn't own one of these like hula hoop things during lockdown? Anyway, okay, I'm gonna try to not say anyway as much because I did have a comment of someone that got annoyed by me saying anyway a lot. I think it's just like something that I have to mindfully train not to say as like a filler word, but yeah, English is a second language problem. Sometimes you need a little bit of a filler word to like structure the sentence before you actually like blurt it out, but I'm gonna try to be better at that. So, okay, first things first, I really enjoyed meeting up with Sopho. It was the first time, so we didn't like, okay, I think she didn't vlog that much either. Same here. I mean, the little bit of footage that I did get, I already included. But yeah, it was the first time meeting up, so I didn't want to take away from like that experience by vlogging. It's a little bit of a balancing act. I mean, it does help that she does YouTube as well, but still. Also, I think she's way better at like daily vlogging because if I choose to do like a regular at home kind of vlog, not like a travel vlog, I kind of feel like nothing that I'm doing is like worth sharing. But I think that's kind of like also the appeal of daily vlogs, that you're seeing like regular everyday life. I don't know, let me know. But yeah, so how did I end up here? Going off on a tangent, I'm telling you. So yeah, we did meet up and like catch up over coffee. Then we went into a couple of shops. I hardly filmed anything, but we did go into Hermès, which is definitely somewhat of a rare occasion for me because yeah, I don't have like a go-to SA. Obviously, I did get my Birkin 35 a couple of years ago, but that was out of luck essentially. I don't know. I still don't know how that happened. But yeah, she has an SA and she wanted to look at a couple of agenda covers. They had one in new blue jean with, okay, apparently learning something new every day. So the regular agenda covers are, okay, for Hermès standards, somewhat affordable. And they have like a rough, unfinished leather interior. And like on the outside, we did look at one in Swift and one in Togo, like new blue jean and orange. Some kind of orange, and there was also like a Verso version which was way more expensive, like more than double, almost triple the price, because with that one you have like Swift leather, for instance, on the outside and another color like Swift leather, for instance, on the inside. So basically two proper leathers, if you will. But yeah, also they did have kind of a lot of Kelly bells. So they did have a white with gold hardware, and a tube with rose gold hardware. Beautiful. I'm not a belt kind of person. Also, like almost 1K for my, like, for me that's ridiculous, but we're looking at MS after all. And they also had a the SA was so sweet. She also brought out a croc Kelly belt with, I think that was with palladium hardware, but like 4K for a belt. No, thank you. But yeah, also they did have the, what's it called? The mini Herbeck or something, like the new iteration without a top handle, just like a crossbody strap. I did take a photo and was immediately told off for taking photos because apparently, I mean, I should have known because when I bought my Birkin 35, I went into the boutique and was like, okay, I have to document it because otherwise people won't believe me that like me, little old me, actually got an offer from her local boutique for a Birkin. So I tried to film like the unboxing, like the process when the SA lifts up the tissue paper on either side, and she noticed me filming and like not only did she tell me off, she wanted me to show her while I was actually like deleting the footage, so I should have known. But I did take one picture of the mini, I'm just gonna call it the mini Herbeck. Adorable. But yeah, we didn't purchase anything inside Hermès, just like walked around a little bit. So yeah, definitely check out Sopho's channel. And I don't think I introduced myself. So if you're still around, despite this being somewhat of a rambly and like random video, hi, I'm Lesley, so glad to have you here. On my channel, I talk about all things luxury, in particular handbags, but I cover a wide range of topics. I film unboxings, reviews. I adore filming shopping vlogs, travel vlogs as well. I adore filming those for you and for myself, like for memory's sake, I guess. So if any of that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing. All right, so I still owe you the like unboxing or like re-unbagging. I didn't get a box, but I did get like a carrier bag of the Pochette Clé that I had Louis Vuitton repair for my parents. We did all of it like through my Louis Vuitton account because my parents don't have a Louis Vuitton account. They're not into luxury at all, like not at all. I don't know how I ended up here, But yeah, also I did purchase that through my account, so it just made sense to do the repair through my account as well. Also, I'm working pretty close to my local Louis Vuitton boutique, so it was just like a lunch break situation where I picked up the pochette clé, which I've been talking about a lot. Let me actually show you, and I think I should have footage from like before I handed it in for repair to show you what was broken, because realistically I won't be able to properly put it into words what was broken. And here we are. So I'm actually digging this kind of backdrop. I'm just like sat on a chair, which is actually quite comfy. I hardly ever use this chair, but it's not the chair of shame, because I do have a couch of shame with stuff lying around that I have definitely yet to sort away. But anyway, it's about the pochette clé. So they gave me like shopping bag, and ooh, okay, almost dropping it. I also brought my own pochette clé, which is this guy here. I think I purchased this in 2020, so it's a year younger, but when you compare the two, hopefully the camera is focusing. This is my parents. You can see that it's definitely been used by my parents, which I prefer over anything, because yeah, as I said, my parents aren't into luxury, and I was kind of worried that they're gonna be like babying this piece, because it's on the expensive side, like for what it is. Ooh, do I have like my hair sticking out? Anyway, so yeah, I said anyway again. Don't do like a drinking game out of the amount of times that I'm saying anyway. But for what it is, it's an expensive piece. My parents aren't into luxury at all, so I'm really pleased that it's actually getting the use it deserves. So yeah, the canvas was never a problem. The problem was the metal bit. So essentially what had happened was, feeling like a beauty YouTuber, hopefully it even helps in terms of focusing. So this hi. Okay, so this piece was the issue. So if you want to open it, it's like a push up and like twist out situation, and this piece had just like fallen off, maybe through use. On the other hand though, I mean, they do have their car key on this, and yeah, there's no like detaching and reattaching, like taking off keys, because their car key is on there and that's it. But maybe like through sitting on it or something. Yeah, something had happened where this piece fell out, and I think they replaced everything starting from this chain upwards, which I think is amazing, and again, free of charge. So very pleased, and my parents will be very pleased, because they're gonna have a home for their car key again. Currently they're using like a super cheapo looking one, which does the job as well, but this is Louis Vuitton, right? I caught myself from saying anyway. Pat on the back. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna put it back in its dust bag, and I think, like TBD, but I think I'm meeting up with my mama tomorrow, which also maybe gives me content. I mean, she doesn't want to be on YouTube, which I totally get. It's not for the faint of heart, but yeah, we're gonna do something tomorrow, and fingers crossed the weather will be as amazing as today, and maybe I'm gonna, yeah, if we do something interesting tomorrow, I'm gonna catch you tomorrow and include the footage of whatever we're gonna do. But yeah, I guess catch you tomorrow.
Floating, weightless, undersea.
Hi guys, so it's already the next day. Okay, I did try to film without my sunnies on, but my eyes apparently are kind of light sensitive, especially like considering that it's been super dark and gloomy the last couple of months. I think my eyes take a little while to actually adjust to the sun shining, so let me turn around. Look at the sky. Okay, I keep banging on about the weather, but it's just too glorious to not show you. But anyway, so we already went to Timothy Oulton, which is like somewhere back there. Actually, I'm fairly certain that we do have multiple like fish auction halls, because we're a port city. I'm going to show you the port, but this is like the main one, the the main fish auction hall. But somewhere back there is Timothy Oulton inside like a multi-brand like interior store. By the way, in case you don't know Timothy Oulton, look it up. I think Claire Chanel from, I think her channel like way back when used to be I Am Choquette. I'm sure you know her if you're like in this like luxury bubble, but she does have a couple of pieces from Timothy Oulton, and we do have the Timothy Oulton store here, but unfortunately that's what the SAE said anyway, is that they did have a couple of too many people just like walking in, taking pictures and heading out again, so they actually implemented a no photos policy, which is kind of a shame because their aesthetic in terms of like the mirrors are beautiful, the Chesterfields, like the couches and all the good stuff. It's really beautiful. Definitely check them out. And unfortunately I can't show you like footage because they prefer not to have people taking pictures. But yeah, anyway, so this might actually be somewhat of a short vlog because I don't think we have anything like specific planned. I'm with my mom, by the way, and yeah, she was very pleased to finally have her pochette clé back again. I mean, I'm saying finally, but as I said, it only took like a week or so. So yeah, I think we're gonna grab coffee somewhere. But yeah, if I don't catch you later, I guess, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this like random, all over the place, kind of patchy vlog. Gonna see what I can make with the footage like in the editing process. But thanks so much for watching. Also consider subscribing to Sopho and to my channel in case you haven't subscribed yet. I think according to my analytics only 10-15% of the people that are watching my videos are subscribed. It's totally free, and honestly it will mean so much to me if you subscribed, and come and say hi in the comments. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in one of my next videos. Bye.